Why does my child need to learn how to write a literary essay? While your child may never have to craft a literary essay outside of an academic setting, it is important to recognize that writing is a valuable and transferable skill. From resume writing to everyday emails, students will be expected to demonstrate a certain level of writing proficiency for success in the real world. What can my child do to become a better writer? In a word, the answer to this question is read. The more students read, the more they internalize the pattern and flow of effective writing. It doesn't matter what they're reading as long as reading is happening. How can my child get extra help with writing? Our small class sizes make it easier for teachers to arrange one-to-one meetings with students in order to provide continual feedback as students go through the writing process. We also offer after-school skill building and tutoring to help students develop essential writing skills.